Ever feel like you can't control whether people like you? That's a common misconception. In this video, I'll share 5 simple principles that can help anyone become more likable. These aren't your typical tips. They're based on Dale Carnegie's fantastic book, How to Win Friends and Influence People, and they transformed me from a shy teenager into someone who easily makes new friends. These principles will give you practical tools for connecting with others, whether at school, work, or with family. Principle 1. Encourage others to talk about themselves. I remember a time when I was doing my national service as a royal guard at the King's Castle in Sweden. It was late, I was bored, and a high-ranking officer came out. We started chatting, and remembering this principle, I steered the conversation towards his interest in history. He talked for a good 15 minutes. The next day, he sought me out to continue the conversation. People are naturally interested in themselves. By encouraging them to share their experiences and thoughts, you make them feel important and heard, which makes them like you. So, when you're unsure what to say, ask them about themselves. Principle 2. Give sincere and honest compliments. A study on runaway wives revealed that a major reason they left was a lack of appreciation. We often get caught up in our own lives and forget to acknowledge others. A sincere compliment can brighten someone's entire day. We all crave feeling valued. Skip the cheap flattery, but offer genuine appreciation. Let's start a positive chain reaction. If everyone watching this video gives someone a sincere compliment today, we'll collectively make thousands of people happier. I'll do it after recording this, and I encourage you to do the same. Principle 3. The best way to win an argument is to avoid it. Most arguments end with both sides more convinced they were right. You can't truly win an argument. Even if you technically win, you might hurt the other person's pride and make them feel inferior. Instead of arguing, try to find common ground. Focus on what you agree on, not what you disagree on. This creates positive feelings instead of resentment. Principle 4. Honestly try to see things from the other person's point of view. People might be wrong, but they don't think they are. Criticizing them won't change their mind. Instead, try to understand why they think the way they do. Put yourself in their shoes and ask, how would I feel in this situation? This simple shift in perspective can save you a lot of frustration. Principle 5. Smile. It's simple but incredibly powerful. A smile says, I like you. You make me happy. It's why we love dogs. They're always happy to see us. A smile is a universal sign of welcome. Even if you don't feel like smiling, try it. Force yourself to whistle or sing. Acting happy can actually make you happier. Happiness is an inside job, and a simple smile can have a huge impact on others. These 5 principles, encouraging others to talk about themselves, giving sincere compliments, avoiding arguments, seeing things from others' perspectives, and smiling, can significantly improve your relationships. The more you practice them, the more natural they become. Let's continue that positive chain reaction by giving someone a genuine compliment today. Go out and make someone's day.